bulb replacement for Samsung BP96-00224C lamp. Brought to you by ShopJimmy.com. Visit www.shopjimmy.com to search the hundreds of thousands of TV parts in our inventory. To properly replace the bulb inside of your projection TV lamp, you'll need the following materials: a pair of latex gloves, your ShopJimmy.com replacement bulb, a pair of needle nose pliers, a cup to hold your lamp screws, clips, and other small items, both a flathead and Phillips screwdriver, and a piece of tape to use as a marker or guide. So let's get to it, shall we? Release the lamp plug from the housing by removing the screw that surrounds the plug. Remove all other housing screws with a screwdriver. For this lamp, there are only 2 screws, located on 2 sides of the housing. Remove the metal handle. Pull the 2 pieces of housing apart, guiding the lamp plug-in wires with the bulb. Release the bulb from the housing by removing the screws and metal bulb clips. Make sure to note the locations of clips, orientation of the bulb within the housing, and orientation of the wires. Remove the bulb from the housing. Before removing the wire harness from the bulb, mark one wire with a piece of tape or sticker and make a note so that you don't forget if you've marked the rear or side terminal connection of the wire harness. Release the rear bulb terminal by removing the nut and washer with the needle nose pliers. Release the side bulb terminal by removing the screw with a Phillips screwdriver. Prior to installing your new bulb, check both bulbs and verify that they are equal. Reinstall the wire harness. Refer back to your notes to confirm that you have matched the terminal connections correctly and to make sure that you have the wires pointing in the correct direction. Place the new bulb into the front housing piece, referring to your notes to ensure the correct orientation. Reinstall the bulb clips and screws, referring to your notes to verify that you are placing the clips in the correct locations. Reconnect the 2 halves of the housing. Make sure that all screw holes are in line and that all plastic clips are connected prior to reinserting any screws. Reinstall the metal handle. Reinsert all housing screws. Slide the plug back into place and hold it in place with the screw. Well, look at that. You did it! Your lamp is now ready to be reinstalled into your TV. Thank you for watching one of our many tutorials here at ShopJimmy.com. If you need any further assistance, please don't hesitate to call our award-winning customer service team at the number on your screen. To help with your inquiry, please write down the ShopJimmy item number also provided on your screen.